Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to discuss our next part of Banker's algorithm, which is called as resource request algorithm. Okay, in the last part we have discussed its first part, which is called as safety algorithm. So in this lecture we are going to perform its next part. So starting with the first step of the algorithm. First step of the algorithm says initialize a vector named as request of I, which means request vector for process Pi, denoted by request I. Okay. In step number 2, we check if request I of j equals to k. What does it mean? If request of process I, or if process Pi requests k instances of resource type j, okay, then check if request I is less than the need of I. That means that whatever the process is requesting, is this request is less than its need. If it is true, then go to step 2. Okay, go to its next part, that is second. Then in second step we check if request if request is of I is less than equal to need I, then go to step 3. Otherwise, if this condition is not true, sorry, I missed a step here. So otherwise, print error or report error. Okay. Then in the step 2 we check if request of I is less than available, whatever the value is available to be allocated. If this request is less than that available, then go to step 3. Okay, or we are working with this, so 3, or you can write it as 3. Okay, go to step 3. Otherwise, if this condition is not true, otherwise Pi must wait and its resource will not be allocated because its resources are not less than available, so it will have to wait. So if suppose if this request is less than available, then we have to go to step 3. So in step number 3, what we'll do, we'll simply update the vectors. So step number 3 says update the vectors as follows. That is, available will be decreased by the value of request, because we have passed the request, so available will be less than, decreased by its request value. Then allocation for I will be increased, that is, allocation of I will be increased by its request value, because it has been granted a new request, so it will be increased. Okay, and as it has requested new value, so its need will be decreased. So need of I will be equals to need of I minus request of I. Okay, then after allocating all these vectors, updating all these vectors, apply safety algorithm. Okay, so after applying safety algorithm, if we found state as safe, then resources are allocated to PI, that is process will be allocated resources. If unsafe state is found, then PI must wait. Okay, and old allocation state is restored, will be restored. Okay, so this is the second part of our bankers algorithm, which is called as resource request algorithm. Okay, so after this, in the next lecture, we are going to perform a numerical or the implementation of bankers algorithm. First it's safety algorithm and then resource request algorithm on numerical values. Okay, so thank you so much, and if you have any query regarding this, then you can ask in our comment section. Thank you so much.